York Central Railroad Museum. This is a small little train museum. Lots of little artifacts on the wall. They have this cool train layout in the back. And some trains in the yard. So let's go check some of this out. Lakeshore, Michigan Southern Railway. And we have a picture of the Elkhart Hump Crew of 1905. And below that is a lantern. We have an engineer's inspection torch used for testing for air leaks. Looks like it's picture taking day at the Elkhart Pattern Room from 1906. And we have a picture from the Lakeshore in Michigan Southern. See if I can get that glare better. How's that? Ooh, so this is from 1900. It's a real steam engine. That's cool. Got a little plastic train here. A rocket. Before we go in the main exhibit hall, let's go check out some lanterns. And this is a switch light that controls traffic. And this is a picture of the New York Central electric locomotive. And back to the railroad lanterns. I noticed they had a very big selection. Lots of electric ones. Way more than I normally see. It's pretty cool. My dad's got a big collection of lanterns. Here's something you don't see very often. A locomotive made out of toothpicks. I bet that took a long, long time. The station master's office. That guy seems a bit distracted. Wait a minute, I think I spotted something interesting. Yep, I did. It's a fan. Looks like we have some railroad crossing signs. We have a hand-operated device used to drill holes. The Gandy dancers. Sometimes I feel like they just make things up. Alright. A Gandy dancer is a person who works on railroad track construction or repair. The term Gandy dancer came about from the gander-like motion of workers tamping down railroad ties. Well, there you go. And some more tools of the trade. Looks like we have a flashing rear end device, also known as Fred. Oh look, A motorman's uniform hat for the Chicago, South Bend, and Northern Indiana Railroad Company. Looks like Mickey's taking a ride. These are pretty neat. Well, looks like we have some china from New York Central. Just don't serve things on real plates anymore, do they? Can you hear the trains? Getting close. Oh no, looks like we've had a plane crash. Oh, Ferris wheel. The model trains are probably the best part of this museum. Well, I had to see what was going on behind the scenes. Well, out in the yard, they have 2 trains and some cars. So let's go check that out. Okay. Entering the locomotive. It's just a teensy bit hot in here. That's cool. That's all the controls they have. It's really cool. They got that light on, and from the gift shop, it looks like it's coming right at you. All right. This one's from New York Central. Okay, this is a work in progress. Looks like they have a crane to move the train trunks, the wheels, or maybe something heavier. This boxcar seems old enough. It could have been the travel means of a hobo. A look at the other side of the tracks shows the current train station. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you someplace or another. Bye. Stay tuned for more adventure to come. Subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.